Hi there, this is a ESP32C3 development board. But in the back, there is something. Yes, this ESP32C3 comes with a tiny OLED screen. This is the smallest OLED screen I have ever seen so far. So in this video, I will show you the complete details and how to program this. Let's get started with this video. So this is the ESP32C3 development board. All pins are labeled properly. Starting with 5 volt, ground, 3.3 volt, then RX, TX and 11 GPIOs. There is also a reset and boot button. In between that, we have the antenna. Here is the tiny display. It's a 0.42 inch 72 by 40 pixel OLED screen. Its I2C pins are connected to GPIO 5 and GPIO 6 of ESP32. Now I connected the USB cable to ESP32C3 and computer. After searching a lot, I found this U8G2 library is okay for this display. Here is an example code using U8G2 library. Here I define the I2C pins and display details. Then just like other OLED, I write Hello World program. Now select the board as ESP32C3 development board and select the correct port and upload the code. After uploading, you can see the Hello World text on display. Super tiny, but it worked. Now in this example, I am reading the voltage of a 3.7 volt lithium-ion battery. I connected the battery via a resistor-based voltage divider and you can see the working. In this final example, I am displaying a simple robotic eye animation. So that's it. It's a tiny display. You have to look closely to see what's in it. By the way, you can use this to show the status of microcontroller or similar. What do you think about this display? Please comment it. You can find the purchase link and programs link from my video description. So that's all about for today. Hope you got some new ideas. If so, please consider supporting me by liking, sharing and subscribing. That's all up to you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.